and they said CYC or CCY, it's a youth organization. And they said they should have a program up here somewhere. So I don't want to drive much. I know his dad don't either, so. Heck, when I wrestled Little League, it was at the St. Charles Boys Club, you know. And we still drove from Harvester there. It still was a 20-minute drive, but
See, that was I don't like the
of course that was the 70s.
Real estate retarded. When?
This looks good already. I don't really need something.
You already cut
This looks perfect. This looks
gotta
perfect.
do it. Gotta do it.
It would feel much more better.
Feel better?
Yeah, can you take this off? Yeah, this is how I want it, just right here. Get that spot right there.
Right here?
Yeah,
This
like
spot right here?
yeah.
See, this how your lineup goes straight across like that. You want it all the way back here?
This is fine, this is fine.
That's fine.
Tell me how to do it, huh?
You're supposed to, you know.
Right on your cord.
Hold still.
Bad horse quiet.
This is what I have to deal with. I edit. I have to edit background noise,
So that's
radio. So I don't get the
Yeah, perfect. Stop.
yeah.
Watch it.
Green light.
gotta do this.
Thank you very much. No. I'm learning all that stuff, you know. My grandkids out in California, they're into soccer. I'm going, what's going on here? Why? I mean, all these kids are. I mean, what's the mean? Yeah,
Hold
but
your head this way.
they're watching international soccer. Yeah, I mean, Portugal and Spain and all that.
I'm so behind.
Turn your head back this way. Turn it back this way.
I don't want to sound like really skeptical or whatever, but it's like, what is this?
What's making this so?
Yeah. I mean, like I said, my 2-year-old, he's 6. I got an 8-year-old grandson in California and a 10-year-old. They're into it just as much as he is. Now, they don't have a phone. His grandmother bought him a phone, so he's got access to YouTube and stuff. They don't have that, so. Sure.
Done.
I mean, 'cause like I said, I wrestled, played football, baseball, but I didn't do the soccer. I went all the way up. I wrestled in college.
You said you get hot.
Everything got different
Him and his dad are into watching professional wrestling. And me being high school wrestling, college wrestling. It's like, does that mean it was entertaining? I know what I did. And I'm not saying they're not athletes by any means.
How you in?
If I'd have been taller, I'd have probably got into it. 5'6" professional
See what I did
wrestling.
with the American Fuji, how I covered it backwards? See what I did? I might not have to.
Oh, you already did a little bit?
I haven't touched it. I asked
Oh, he went along.
I asked them what length they wanted it, and then
Yeah, I don't know, whatever be the easiest for them when they get him ready for school.
Right.
all he got to do was really ask him, take a little bit of this,
Okay.
put it in his hair and come straight backwards like this.
Okay.
Then let it dry.
A little bit. Well, he like the long, huh?
Yeah. The picture that you showed me, it was shorter.
Yeah. Just doing the like the fade of it. Huh?
Normally, well, if they like the top part a little low, I'll cut the top part a little lower. But if this is preference of when it long like this, I keep it long.
So everybody like it different.
Yeah, because Mexican
Like
hair
it
is
long.
shorter.
Kids hair, I just had it cut 4 or 5 weeks ago, you know, I mean, it just grows like,
Growing.
it's like a weed, I mean, when he came in here, it was,
What's a quick thing there?
hair grow,
Juices the
he
berries.
says, Papa wishes he could do that, you know?
This hair is almost long enough to braid.
Sorry?
This hair is almost long enough to braid.
Yeah, clean.
I'm ready.
What?
Shit, you ready to get up.
I knew that though.
Wanna take a picture of your hair, man?
Okay, we're gonna work. You got John's rendition, and that's cool. That's all you need. Big John does it right.
Is that the line you gave me?
Learn.
Is that the line you gave me?
You wanna see the picture? You wanna see the mirror? See the
Did
mirror?
you cut that or just like
Line it straight across. I cut it like that.
Herb shop on the east side. They might have it over there.
Hold on, let me take a picture.
Right, it's peeled.
Like a prom house.
That's a
you
good
say
one.
you're a Chinese black man?
Chinese, black, Mexican. Probably saying more on them. I eat rice.
He eat rice, noodles, and tacos.
Huh?
He eat rice, noodles, and tacos.
You stay true. How you doing in school, then? You like the school, then?
Hey, if he ain't, he's gonna get a foot up his butt.
What are you doing in school, Mina? You like it? Stay good in school, then. Sure.
I'm ready to.
Face
It
forward.
goes both ways.
It's sideways like that. There you go, sideways like that.
Zip turn. Let him move you. Let him move you. Hey, what I say? You let him move you.
So why I gotta ask you, good? Me, you, Murphy, E1, Emily. What's up, guys? You need me to cut this out?
Right. Like daddy, get him away.
So whenever you get your haircut, you leave this on. Cause look, let me show you. See how you asked was her hair on this? Look down. See how her hair on her? Keep this on so your clothes. Wait. So your clothes stay fresh. And you got a little bit of hair on your neckline. That's why it was on your neck. Hold on.
That's your uncle.
Hold your head down.
What's up, Mom? Pop up, man. That's just what he feels like.
So what I'm getting together.
Hey, you need to go to STL on the Rocks when Slim be having his comedy nights and go up on the stage.
Where at, girl?
STL on the Rocks.
What is that?
Where is that? I think Keisha worked there now. Hold on, put your head down.
Keisha worked out?
Yeah.
I wonder why you say you're African.
Have you ever seen an ugly midget?
He like the flame. You know what flaming mean?
What?
Johnny. He like flaming. Hold on.
I flame everybody.
You ain't gonna slay me?
You gotta know how to say the dozens. So you gotta know how to flame back.
No, really dirty.
Mama put him back.
You gonna fight him back? You gotta know what to say.
I'll roast
It's
him.
called Joni.
Oh, I'll roast him.
You gonna roast him?
Yeah.
He said he gonna roast you.
Who gonna roast?
He said he gonna roast you.
You think they gonna roast me?
Yeah.
For real?
Yeah, I'll roast you right now.
Have you do ants?
Your mom was so dumb she cut open the pineapple. She has reverse SpongeBob. Your mama so dumb she cut open a pineapple. It said where's
Don't get too
SpongeBob.
comfortable.
That's a good one.
Your mama so dumb.
Hey now.
No, they flame. They.
Come on, so
I
dumb.
get you.
Your mama
Did you
so-
know flies fart?
No, they don't.
Google it. Flies fart.
Your mama so dumb.
Do you know ants pee?